Frequent urination and home remedies. Frequent urination happens when a person needs to urinate more than he normally would. The urge could strike suddenly and could cause the sufferer to lose control of his bladder. It feels uncomfortable, like the bladder is very full. Frequent urination is also referred to as an overactive bladder. Doctors say that urination every 2 hours or even more is frequent urination. Drinking water. When it comes to home remedies for frequent urination, this sounds like a ridiculous remedy, but it does work. This is one of the most crucial things you should do when having a UTI. It could help in removing bacteria and gives you something to really push out upon peeing. Visit curenatural.info to know about the best drinks that act as flashing fluid through the system to help you get rid of nasty bacteria. Baking soda. The next one in this list of home remedies for frequent urination is soda. Remember, it is not soda in the sugary soft drink, but in baking soda. This is a miraculous substance which can help you deal with different things from skin disorders like heat rash to health issues like heartburn and UTIs. Baking soda has alkaline nature, which is the opposite of acidic, meaning that it could help in neutralizing and alleviating the acidity of your urine. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use baking soda properly to stop frequent urination. Parsley water. Parsley water can be a wonderfully refreshing drink, and it could also help in relieving the urinary tract infection and frequent urination and boost the healing process by playing a role of a diuretic. In reality, diuretics are often used to treat many problems and can increase the sodium amount that your kidneys excrete in the urine. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use parsley water properly to stop frequent urination. Celery seeds. This is another effective option among many home remedies for frequent urination. Celery seeds can act as a diuretic. It is because of celery oil's constituents, butylphthalate. If you do not like parsley water, then celery seeds could be alternated for them. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use celery seeds properly to stop frequent urination. Cucumbers. Among home remedies for frequent urination, this is an easy method. Cucumbers are useful in both health and beauty issues thanks to its high content of water. It is a good way to get more fluid through your body system when you cannot drink enough water on a regular basis. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use cucumbers properly to stop frequent urination. Avoid the 4 Cs. Citrus, chocolate, carbonation, caffeine are there things you had better avoid if you are suffering from frequent urination. They could irritate your bladder's lining and make it easier for bacteria to get in. Consuming a large amount of citrus will increase your urine acidity, making it much more painful to pee. If possible, stay away from them. It is not easy at all, but it can make your life more bearable. Visit curenatural.info to know how to control acidity in your body to stop frequent urination. Heat. When suffering from frequent urination, irritation and inflammation could lead to a nagging, constant discomfort making you feel cramped up painfully. In such case, applying some heat can bring relief to your bladder. Thanks to the gentle warmth, it relaxes your muscles, thereby melting away the pain associated with inflammation and spasms. Visit curenatural.info to know the various ways applying heat to stop frequent urination. Ginger tea. Ginger is helpful for most conditions involve any type of inflammation. This spice helps black prostaglandin synthesis, which is a process creating little messengers. Prostaglandins can communicate a variety of biological processes, like inflammation. Also, they transmit the pain signals to brain neurons. Therefore, it helps prevent inflammation, alleviate current inflammation and lessen pain. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use ginger tea properly to stop frequent urination. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has acidic nature which makes it harder for the bacteria that causes UTIs to stick to things, therefore decreasing the risk of infection as well as the chances for the bacteria to multiply. Many studies have shown that it is the most effective treatment for those women having UTIs before and now suffering from the recurrent infections. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to use cranberry properly to stop frequent urination. Blueberries. Similar to cranberries, blueberries might help in warding off the potential frequent urination by impacting the fimbria of the bacteria which tries to attach itself to the human urinary tract. However, blueberry juice is not as easy to take as cranberry juice. It is often mixed with a few things like apple juice or grape juice. Try to consume this tasty juice whole if possible. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to use blueberries properly to stop frequent urination. Horseradish. Horseradish is derived from Europe and a member of cabbage family. This plant is well known for its pungent, spicy features. Using the white roots of horseradish can clear sinus. Aloe isothiocyanate is a natural compound found in horseradish which possesses strong antimicrobial property. It has bactericidal nature, meaning that it can kill bacteria. It can do it by attacking the cellular membrane of bacterium, thereby making it impossible to survive or viable. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to use horseradish properly to stop frequent urination. Cream of lemon and tartar. This is an ancient remedy among home remedies for frequent urination. Many people say that this old gems can work better than anything else you could use, but sometimes they do not give any change in the condition of frequent urination. Cream of tartar might work as it can change the pH level of your urine, thereby making it less friendly environment for the bacteria to thrive in. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to use cream of lemon and tartar properly to stop frequent urination. Aloe vera juice. Another great home treatment for frequent urination is aloe vera juice, which has natural cleansing properties helping remove the toxic within your body and reduce stress on kidneys. As a result, it aids in improving the overall health. You can consume aloe vera juice every day to handle frequent urination. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to use aloe vera properly to stop frequent urination. Horsegram. This plant provides you with helpful nutrients, helping improve kidneys' health. Besides, horsegram also aids in treating bladder infection, so you can relieve symptoms of frequent urination. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to use baking soda properly to stop frequent urination. Pomegranates. Being rich in nutrients, pomegranates could relieve frequent urination and improve the overall health of urinary tract as well as gallbladder. Thus, you should not skip this fruit if you really want to get rid of UTIs as well as frequent urination. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to use pomegranates properly to stop frequent urination. Yogurt. One of the simplest home remedies for frequent urination is yogurt. It helps treat urinary tract infection and improve kidney health as well as digestion at the same time. In yogurt, there are healthy bacteria which can improve your overall body system, thereby preventing frequent urination. Consume yogurt daily to make use of it. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to take a yogurt soda properly to stop frequent urination. Indian gooseberry juice. Indian gooseberries are high in vitamin C, which can improve your overall health and treat gallbladder infection. Also, it alleviates UTI symptoms and boosts the kidney functions, which in turn will reduce the urinating frequency to normal levels. Add Indian gooseberry juice to your daily diet to get its benefits. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to use Indian gooseberry properly to stop frequent urination. Cumin seeds. Cumin seeds have a natural content which can improve the digestive system of your body, therefore decreasing the stress on your kidneys. Ultimately, it relieves the symptoms of frequent urination. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to use cumin seeds properly to stop frequent urination. Spinach. Having a large amount of antioxidants and minerals, spinach can improve kidney functions and decrease the waste from your body effectively. Do not skip this plant to get rid of frequent urination symptoms in all natural ways. Visit cureneutral.info to know how to use spinach properly to stop frequent urination. Cinnamon powder. You can mix cinnamon powder with water to create a natural solution for frequent urination. This ingredient is useful in treating pain and inflammation in the human abdominal area. It is advised to use this remedy regularly to get a natural relief from gallbladder problems as well. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use cinnamon powder properly to stop frequent urination. Apple cider vinegar. Last but not least, when it comes to home remedies for frequent urination, consumption of apple cider vinegar will relieve the pain associated with infections in the digestive system. Also, it provides you with a relief from frequent urination effectively. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use apple cider vinegar properly to stop frequent urination. Kegel exercises. Regularly exercises will strengthen the muscle of your urethra and pelvis, thereby supporting the bladder. But, remember that you should learn the right techniques and practice exercises at the recommended frequency. Visit curenatural.info to know how to do Kegel exercises properly to cure frequent urination. Biofeedback. You can use this with Kegel exercises to improve the awareness as well as control of muscles in pelvic area. Visit curenatural.info to know how to use biofeedback properly to stop frequent urination. Bladder training. This treatment is very beneficial for those with overactive bladder syndrome. Bladder training aims to train your bladder in order to hold the urine longer, therefore urinating less often. Bladder training also involves enhancing the amount of time between visits to the bathroom to empty your bladder. Visit curenatural.info to know how to do bladder training properly to stop frequent urination. Diet changes. You had better avoid the foods irritating your bladder or acting as a diuretic, such as alcohol, caffeine, spicy foods, chocolate and artificial sweeteners. In details, you should restrict your intake of salt to the minimum, avoid junk food, oily or fried food, packaged and processed food, yeast, bread foods and tobacco. Consume high-fiber foods to reduce the constipation which worsens the overactive bladder. Visit curenatural.info to know how to make diet changes the right way to stop frequent urination. These home remedies for frequent urination are generally safe and effective for most people. Visit curenatural.info for the best natural and home remedies that help cure frequent urination.